Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out a motorcycle essential, the 2025 Rokform motorcycle mount, designed specifically for riders in the USA. As bikers, having our phones securely mounted for navigation, music, or even capturing those epic rides is crucial. But not all mounts are created equal. So, let's see what Rokform brings to the table in 2025. Features. Rokform has a long history of catering to motorcyclists, and their 2025 mount seems to be following suit. Here's what we've got. Built to last, the mount is crafted from CNC machined 6061 T6 aircraft-grade aluminum. That means it's strong, lightweight, and can handle the bumps and vibrations of the road. Secure lock. Rokform's signature Roklock quarter-turn mounting system with a rock-safe magnet ensures your phone stays secure, no matter the terrain. Universal fit. The mount adjusts to fit handlebars from 7/8 TAs to 1 1/4 inch diameter, making it compatible with most motorcycles. Phone case compatibility. Rokform offers a variety of cases for different phone models. These cases integrate seamlessly with the mount for a secure and rattle-free fit. 2025 upgrades. Now, there's always something new with Rokform, and 2025 seems to be no different. Here are some rumored upgrades you might want to look out for. Benefits. So, why should you consider the 2025 Rokform motorcycle mount? Here are some key benefits. Peace of mind. Knowing your phone is securely mounted lets you focus on the ride, not worrying about it flying off. Convenience. Easy access to your phone for navigation, music control, or capturing photos and videos. Durability. Built with high-quality materials to withstand the elements and the demands of riding. Compatibility and availability. Rokform offers a wide range of phone cases to ensure compatibility with most popular models. As for availability, the 2025 mount should be available on the Rokform website, Rokform, on rokform.com, and possibly at major motorcycle gear retailers across the USA. Alright folks, that's it for the 2025 Rokform motorcycle mount. If you're looking for a secure, reliable, and convenient way to mount your phone on your motorcycle, the Rokform is definitely a strong contender. Of course, be sure to check the official Rokform website for the latest information on features, compatibility, and pricing. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below with your favorite motorcycle mount and hit that subscribe button for more motorcycle gear reviews.